Hi, this is Sara Abrons, editor of Rave Publications, and I'm here at InfoComm 2017 on day 2, and I'm with Justin Knox, the marketing director for RGBlink. How are you today, Justin?
Yeah, thanks very much. Yeah, it's great to be here, and it's been good so far. Yeah.
Yeah, how's the show been? Has a lot of traffic?
Yeah, well, look, right on the main aisle, so a lot of foot traffic through, and a lot of interest in the products. It's been great to meet a lot of people. Yeah.
Yeah. So RGBlink is one of the companies on our top 10 tour for their M1 video wall processor, which is kind of like a good example of one of RGBlink's main offerings here, which is more affordable video processing. So why don't you tell us a little bit about that product and what you're doing for integrators there?
Yeah, thank you. Look, firstly, thanks to Ray for putting us on the top 10. We're rather thrilled to be in that select group. Yeah, M1's a brand new product for us here at InfoComm, first time seen anywhere, so great to bring that. The focus for this product very much to make video more easy for people to access. There's lots of great displays out there and they're being used more and more. I think a theme for us is we're seeing that visual is everywhere, right? So the missing link is how do you make it easier for people to control? And lots of people have got a different take on that. We're a scaling and switching company, so we're sort of focusing more on that end of a more friendly UI, touchscreen interface, this kind of thing. Sure. So it's more natural for people.
And as we kind of discussed a little bit before this, the price of display technologies, including super bright displays, super bright projectors, laser projection, and high resolution like 4K displays and projectors has come down so quickly, so much, and integrators and end users, they need access to the processing at a similar price point. So
yeah, keeping things proportional is very key, and of course that widens the usage across all markets as well. And we're conscious of that. I think we come in with a value offering which is fully featured in each of the areas that we focus on, and it's allowing projects to happen in many cases that wouldn't otherwise happen, I'm sure.
Yeah, one of the things our founder Gary Kay talks about in his 4K keynote he does is how 4K has opened up possibilities for schools, boardrooms, and a lot of places to have what is basically video walls, like multiple windows, even using projection on a wall or in a conference room, so you can have slides visible, video visible, like current and past slides visible, but that you're not going to see that kind of thing if you don't have access to equipment that's in an education price point.
That's right, and I think you've touched on a key point there as well. 4K as a display device is quite important, or larger than 4K, let's say, but that's not always about putting a single 4K image up. A lot of the time it's getting up multiple images on a bigger canvas, and certainly that's where we have our video scaling products with universal processors, and the other new product we brought here to the show, 628 Pro, with multiple layer capabilities to support those different sources.
Yeah, speaking of 4K, you actually are kind of on the bleeding edge of that as well, and you have some new products that you actually, you introduced several months ago, and you were one of the first to market with, so tell me a little bit about that.
Yeah, 628 Pro 2 is a next generation 4K end-to-end video processor. Significantly, it's not just 4K, but 4K 60 end-to-end. So program and preview capabilities, that's at 60 frames. And we also have implemented 12G SDI in that structure as well. So there's a huge bandwidth in that product. We can support up to 16 2K inputs or 4K at 60 inputs, and then the same at output as well. So it's very, very flexible and entirely modular. The feedback for this product at the show has been phenomenal. The people in the know are definitely walking up and really and touching base, and are quite impressed so far.
Yeah, so are you picking up new dealers or just impressing your existing ones?
Oh, well, both actually. Yeah, we're not a very old company, so it feels like, again, being here at InfoComm, we're sort of coming of age again, and so many people coming up and going, well, you've definitely got products we're interested in for integration projects or our presentation projects, and having a new flagship like 628 Pro 2 with the 4K at 60 is definitely a plus. Yeah.
That's great. Well, thank you so much, Justin. I really appreciate you taking the time here
thanks
today.
for coming over and seeing us.
So make sure you go in the search box. We shot a bunch of product videos here yesterday at RGBlink. Go in the product search box, type in RGBlink, check out the product videos we did on all their video processors here, and be sure to check them out at the show if you're still here. Thanks so much.
Thanks very much.